Tired of clicking display images in every Yahoo Mail email? In 30 seconds, I will show you the one setting that fixes it forever. First, we will open Yahoo Mail settings. Then, we will change the image display option. Finally, we verify it works. Alright, let us start. Open your browser and head over to mail.yahoo.com. Sign into your account. I have done this on dozens of different accounts and the process is exactly the same every time. Once you are signed in, look at the left sidebar. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You will see an icon that looks like 3 dots. That is the More Options button. It can be easy to miss if you are in a hurry, so take your time scrolling down. Now, click that 3-dot icon. From the menu that pops up, choose Settings. This is your main control panel for everything in Yahoo Mail. Inside the Settings window, you will see a list of categories on the left. Find the one that says Viewing Email and click it. This is where all the visual preferences live. Now here is the really important part. Look for the option labeled Show Images in Messages. It is usually in the top section of this page. Right next to it, there is a drop-down menu. Click that drop-down. You will see a few choices. Select Always, except in Spam folder. And here is the best part. The setting saves automatically. There is no save button to hunt for, no confirmation box. It just updates the moment you make your selection. I have tested this across different browsers and devices, and it is always that simple. So now that we have got that set up, let us verify it works. Open any email in your inbox that you know contains images. If you have a recent newsletter or a message from a friend with photos, that is perfect. You should see the images load right away. No more clicking display images at the top of the message. That is it. You are all set. From now on, every email you open will show its images automatically, except for anything that ends up in your spam folder, which is a nice safety net. No more frustration. No more extra clicks. Just smooth, effortless email reading. Thanks for watching.